in the lower 80s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, mostly clear until midnight. Partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
Alrighty guys, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to another live stream. Hope you guys are doing good out there. What's going on everybody? Let's go ahead and see who is here for today. We got ourselves Catnado, we have George, we have let's see, VRE, Carter. Sorry about that. Did I even change? I did not. Actually no, it's still perfect. I was making sure my my scene or my threat level was still good to go, but which it is. Let's see here. Zero, Finn the Third, and Tammy. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good. Also, I have to say thank you to Jenny for donating $5 before the live stream started today. I don't think Jenny's here right now because Jenny said that she's not able to make it for today's live stream, which is totally okay. But anyways, let's see here. Evening, Andrew. See, what's up, Douglas? Hope you're doing good. Crystal says hi. What's up, Crystal? Let's see here. Kamer, what's up? Howdy from Cincinnati. What's up? Hope you're doing good, guys. All right, so we're just going to dive right into it, y'all. We got some pretty nasty storms popping off here for the Panhandle of Texas yet again. They just got here last night from what I believe. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got a pretty nasty storm. There's literally a town in the Panhandle of Texas called Panhandle. There is literally a town name in Texas called Panhandle. Let's see here. I'm actually going to fix this real quickly. There we go. There we go. But, yeah, Panhandle is actually included with the severe thunderstorm warning. This is a nasty storm. Look at this. 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts, half-dollar size hail, and a tornado possible. 27 minutes ago, they even made sure to include that these are destructive storms. Gavin Gavin says, hi, Andrew. What's up? Hope you're doing good. Hello from Falcon, Colorado. Says time to kill. What's up? Donna, hello from Illinois. What's up? Hope you're doing good, Donna. Let's see here. Hello from Western Kentucky. What's up, Cora? So my fellow Kentuckian here. But anyways, like I said, right now, you guys, we are watching, you know, kind of a nasty line of storms. Actually, it looks like it's getting ready to roll through Lubbock, too. Let's see here. I'm actually going to pull up the stream, or not the stream, the pen here, so I can actually draw on the screen. That's what I was trying to say. We got a really well-defined outflow boundary on this thing. Y'all see this big noodle? That's what we call an outflow boundary or a gust front. That right there, my friends, that thing's likely producing some gusty winds here. I lived in Lawton, Oklahoma, says Tammy. I got you. Let's see here. We went through here, heard a tornado funnel located near Panhandle. Huh. Interesting. Holy cow. I just realized how big this... Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Look how large this severe thunderstorm warning is, guys. Here's the size of Texas. This is larger than Rhode Island. That is ridiculous. Let's see here. So from the bottom of the warning to the top, it's about 100 miles from across, I should say. Let's see here. We're gonna go from the bottom to the top here. Yep, about 100 miles, 93 miles to go. Holy cow. That's a really big warning out there. Anyways, but yeah. So Lubbock's getting ready to get hit here pretty soon, from what it looks like. Let's see here. So plane views included. We did get some wind gust reports up to 40 miles per hour. They have the overall warning here out of the sky for 70 mile per hour wind gusts and penny hail. Once again, penny hail is nothing too crazy. Well, unless you start getting winds of like 80 plus. Penny hail then becomes kind of a concern because it's going to be moving really quickly. Let's see. Is Oklahoma City in the line of for bad storms? Well, I tell you what, Oklahoma City does actually have a slight risk today, which is a level 2 on the spectrum. Let's see, tornado probability is, actually, you're right on that line. I don't think you'll see much tornadic activity out towards Oklahoma City. Let's see, large hail, that's your main concern, and, damaging winds following along right along with it. So, with that being said, obviously, yeah, later on today, there is actually a slight risk out there for severe weather. It's going to be happening later on tonight, which I would definitely watch out for. Let's see. I'm going to take you all over to the models for 1 second to show you what I'm talking about. Let me go ahead and do that here now. So, here is the here's the HRRR. Let's see here. Is that even the right? That's not even the right date, I don't think. Oh, apparently I'm on the... apparently HRRR is out of date here. Hold on a minute. Here we go. Okay, we're good. So there you go. So yeah, we got this little line rolling through. Y'all can see. Eventually, this has it going near... obviously, they're near Oklahoma City, as you can see, but it kind of dies out. According to this model here. According to the latest HRRR. Kind of just like fizzles out there for the most part. So it really does seem like the Panhandle is going to get it the worst, in which, like I said, right now we do have ourselves the storm really kicking off, which we do have a warning out here, y'all, for Panhandle and the Panhandle of Texas, for 80 mile per hour wind gusts here, as well as actually $half size hail too. So it's not just a damaging wind concern; it's actually it's a threat for hail too. Carter, okay, Carter, seriously, dude, do not spam. That's not gonna make me get to your comment by spamming. So, like I said, dude, that's not cool. Let's see here. Can Tulsa possibly get a tornado? Let's see here. So Tulsa. Okay, so Tulsa does have a risk for severe weather. Honestly, I don't know how well that's going to play out. I mean, considering the models, the HRRR really kind of showed the this whole complex of storms like kind of kick off or kind of die out, I should say. Now, when it comes to, let's see here, when it comes to the Storm Prediction Center, actually, I want to bring y'all over here to Tulsa for a second. Take a look at that risk area. Tornado probability is a 2% chance. So it's really not a very large likelihood. It's actually a very small chance. Basically, the way this works is that every 25 miles, so picture a 25-mile box around Tulsa. Within 25 miles of Tulsa, there's a 2% chance that a tornado could drop somewhere in that region. So overall, you have a 98% chance that you'll not see any tornadic activity within that 25-mile boundary of Tulsa. So overall, I mean, yeah, it's a pretty low probability. Let's see. Heyo, I made it. How's it going, y'all? Says Z. What's up, man? Hope you're doing good. It's going pretty good for me. Hope you're doing well. Thank you, Mark. Let's see here. Brad wants me to take a look here at 61701. All right, 61701. This is for Illinois. Gotcha. I don't think Illinois has any risk out today. Or at least for you. You're in Bloomington, right? Yep. So yeah, there's no risk out there for you. So you're good to go. There's nothing to worry about. Nothing severe anyways is expected. Oh, did they just issue a new watch? Oh, they sure did. Look at that. They just issued a new watch, you guys. Holy cow. So they now include Lawton, Oklahoma City. Actually, sorry. Lawton, Elk City. That's what I was trying to say. West of Oklahoma City by a county. Weatherford's included here as well. So, yeah, basically the western side of Oklahoma is now in that risk. Oh, it looks like we have a tornado warning up here in Colorado, too. Let's see. We're going to hop over to that radar there. Got a tornado warning storm here southwest of Colorado Springs popping off here right now. So if you live in Victor, Goldfield, let's see, Beaver Creek Wilderness Study Area. And let's see here, Adelaide. I have no idea how you pronounce that area, but there is a tornado warning in effect for 5 minutes to go. So we got a little bit to go on that warning before it does get expired. But also they also did include the possibility there for penny hail too. And actually they just updated, I think they just added a severe thunderstorm warning as we were just talking about this for Fort Carson, Rock Creek Park. Look at this. Wow. Tornado possible tag 1.75 inch hail. So that's literally golf ball size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible. Don't see much rotation right now. A lot of mess on velocity, though. A lot of mess. That is, a lot of cluttered mess there. Let's see here. What's up, Purple? Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. Thanks, Andrew. Have a good night, everyone, and stay safe. You too, Brad. Are you heading out here, Brad? If so, it's good to see you, man. Hope you're doing good. Crystal says, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. Be greatly appreciated, y'all. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. Look here. 44. Oh, we just got a 60 mile per hour wind gust report out here towards Spearman, Texas. That would be considered damaging. Let's see here. Yeah, wind gusts you can see up to 60 and sustained of 44. So we're getting sustained winds of 44 miles per hour, which that's interesting. I mean, that's a big warning too. That's east of Spearman. They actually have this warning out here towards areas east of Spearman. This includes like Canadian. Let's see, Miami. See Pampa as well. Like I said, these are some pretty big warnings that they issue here. This guy's for 70 mile per hour wind gusts here in quarter size hail. Can I see if there's rotation from KFTG radar site? Which one was KF? Let's see here. Hold on. Site labels. KFTG. Okay, that's Denver, right? I think that's Denver radar. Let's see here. Oh wow. You know what? You can. But I don't know. I think this might be upper level rotation because radar is pretty far away from this storm. Yeah, 83 miles away. I did realize we have this guy though. Oh yeah, that's that radar that's like literally within 50 miles, but it really kind of freaks out over by those storms for some reason. Let's see here. Purple says I'm female, not male. Sorry about that. Hey, it's hard telling with some of these usernames. Like, anybody could be named the Purple. Never know. Let's see here. But yeah, no, we'll need to watch out for that. I'm just still in shock, y'all, just how big this one severe thunderstorm warning is. Like, holy cow, dude. That is a massive warning. I mean, that includes a lot of areas here. Plainview included. Let's see, Lockney, Metador, Turkey, Lakeview, Memphis, Texas. Once again, this is not Memphis. This is not Memphis, Tennessee that you're probably thinking of. But this guy's warned for 70 mile per hour wind gusts here, as well as penny-size hails possible. Kind of gotta, you really gotta watch out for these guys, these big noodles ahead of the storms. This is what we call a outflow boundary or a gust front. You gotta watch out for those guys. Let's see, I gotta shut down my pen here. My pen is glitching. So I need to shut it down and then restart it here. But yeah, no, you got to really watch out for those outflow boundaries because those guys can definitely really rock your world with heavy winds. That's a big thing about these guys. That's what they call them, gust fronts. Obviously, because they're gusty. They can get some gust on them. Let's see here. See, that radar near Colorado Springs was down for a while. It just got back up. For some reason, looks like a mess. Says Amanda. Gotcha. Let's see here. Purple says I'm female. I saw your comment there, Purple. Thank you so much for the $2 super chat, though. And I'm sorry for. Like I said, I'm not. I don't know. Yeah, there's no way of me telling. Oh yeah, I just got to. Oh, there we go. Just got that notification of that watch. So, like I said, guys, if you're just now joining us here, we did just get a new watch, severe thunderstorm watch out here for, let's see, Oklahoma. Yep, for like western and portions of central Oklahoma is now under this severe thunderstorm watch till 2 a.m. Look at that! Wow, maximum wind gusts up to 85 miles per hour possible. So 85 mile per hour winds is possible out of that guy, or out of some of these storms, I should say, as well as hail up to 2.5 inch, which I believe that's tennis ball size hail. Tell you what, y'all, I have got to turn down my monitor's brightness. They are super bright. But like I said, you guys, seriously, the you know what I was talking about is seriously, you know, these storms out here, y'all. These guys are going to be possible producing some pretty nasty wind gusts. Doodle says, is Dallas okay? Dallas, I believe, is okay. Here, give me 1 second. Let me fix this. Let's see here. Dallas. Okay, yep. No, Dallas is good. We're not in any risk out here towards Dallas. That's good news. Don't gotta worry about out there. The risk does move its way into let's see here. Risk does move its way into portions of like I said, obviously it moves its way far east towards like Missouri even, which is interesting. Arkansas as far east as the risk. Let's see here. It's me again. You're from your last live stream, like last week. Just call me K for short. If I forgot. Yep, I got you. Okay, K. Thanks for joining. Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. Back to GR2. Let's see here. But yeah, we got some pretty nasty warnings. I mean, pretty much all these guys are out here for at least. Pretty much all these guys are at least 60 to 70 miles per hour. Like I say, including that. Oh, they actually did just downgrade this one here. Okay, that's good. That's good. We did actually have a warning out towards Panhandle, or Panhandle in the Panhandle of Texas, towards White Deer. This is no longer under, this is no longer warned for 80 mile per hour wind gusts. They did knock that down to 70, which is good. Obviously, I'd rather have 70 mile per hour wind gusts than 80. I don't know about y'all. Even then, 70 is still pretty gnarly. But yeah, just know that they did downgrade that wind threat, or that wind out there. Let's see here. Santa Ego says, hi guys, what's up? Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. Just finished up with dinner. Okay, cool. I hated when my youngest moved out. I had empty nest, something horrible. Yeah, I could understand how that could be a little sad. See, just getting ready to make dinner. I'm hungry. I hear you. I'm hungry too. Yeah, honestly, I was planning on going live right about now. I was planning to go live here at 8 o'clock, but I ended up holding it because, or actually, sorry, I ended up going earlier because of, what's going on right now. They did cancel that tornado warning after all. That's good. But these warnings out here towards Colorado, though, especially the one here south of Colorado Springs, west of Fountain here, this one's pretty crazy. Like I said, golf ball size hail out of this guy and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Pretty nasty storms, kicking out here across Colorado and surrounding areas too. Anyways, let's see here. Self-care says chicken, broccoli, rice, and beans. Sounds good. Leave out the beans. I'm not really a big bean fan, honestly. Only beans I'll ever eat is refried, but I will never eat like baked beans. A lot of people are gonna hate me for that. Sure are. But anyways, but yeah, I tell you what, y'all, this has turned into quite a line of storms. Look at that new warning just popped up towards McLean and Shamrock in the Panhandle of Texas for about 55 more minutes to go here for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And penny hail, too. You know, penny hail, like I said, it's not anything crazy. Anyways. See, I'm lucky I'm waiting for my Domino's delivery to get here. Oh, that sounds good, Penny. Sounds really good. But yeah, it's between these guys out here in Texas, as well as Colorado, these ones are the nastiest. And like I said, y'all, here's today's risk. I'm going to go ahead and pop this up for you, y'all. Let's see here. So we got that enhanced risk out there. Got that enhanced risk. I'm actually going to hide these hide these warnings. It's impossible to see what risks were in here. There we go. Yep. So we got an enhanced risk. You know, a level 3 out of 5 here. For basically the upper portion of the Panhandle, northeastern side. Also for the Panhandle of Oklahoma and western sides of Oklahoma is in the risk, in that enhanced risk there. See, just put beans in a blender, you'll never know. See here. Do I have a dog? I do, but it's not mine. If that makes sense. Let's see here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Did they just issue a new watch? That wasn't there long. Oh, you know what they did, right? They actually put out a watch here towards Colorado Springs just before they issued a new watch for western Oklahoma. So, yeah. So that's that. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on those regions. Obviously, a watch means that you've got to be, watching the conditions. You know, I always say watch. You got to watch out for storms. Warning. You got to take action, because warnings are warning you of danger. Watches are, saying to watch out for danger in the future. That could be possible, essentially. But anyways, like I said, really to you guys out there, throughout Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, a lot of these regions here. I mean, if you're at least in that slight risk, really got to be looking out for those areas. I mean, like I said, the severe weather risk actually stretches out even further. Today's marginal is actually quite large. I mean, it covers, quite large area here. All the way as far towards, even Illinois, southwestern Illinois does have a little bit of a threat for a couple of strong to severe storms, which obviously keep it out there for those possible storms out there. Anyways, let's see. Hop back over to Lubbock, y'all. Lubbock's now getting hit by the storm. It didn't really look like Lubbock's getting hit all that hard, though. Like I said, Lubbock's actually in a warning here for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. That warning extends up into, let's see here, Lockney as well, Memphis, Texas, all those areas out there. And then just north of that, we got ourselves, a bunch of other severe thunderstorm warnings in effect here. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. For most of them do have 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts on them. Let's see here. But yeah, that's about what's going on there. Back over here towards Colorado. Yeah, we got some pretty nasty. Some of these storms are actually out here towards Colorado. South of Colorado Springs. This one's actually producing some pretty, pretty decent size hail up to ping pong ball size. Also 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. They did include that tornado possible tag too. We can't forget about this one. It's actually right on the radar too. I mean, look, there's a storm that's literally crossing right over the radar, just to the northeast. Even this storm looks like it has maybe a little bit of a hail core. It's not currently warned, Not currently warned, but you know, it is a storm that we should watch out for. Anyways, let's see here. Oh my gosh, the zip codes. I'm gonna have nightmares of people's zip codes every time. Every time. I'd love to get to everybody's zip codes, but I can't reach everybody, unfortunately. I'm only one person after all. Let's see here. All right, Penny says 68104, please. All right, 68104, Nebraska. Got a marginal, level 1. You obviously don't have a tornado threat, luckily, which is good. Your main concern actually is for, I believe, yeah, hail and damaging wind gusts. Anyways. So, yeah, a small chance for a couple of strong to potentially severe storms out there. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that beast on satellite view. Holy cow. That is quite a nasty storm. That thing's gnarly. What's up, Robin? Yeah, I got this real big line kicking through. Let's see here. Please, if you don't mind, let's see, 66088. All right, let's see here, 66088. Kansas. Okay, you got a marginal level 1 out there as well. Yeah, we got a few storms to your north, it looks like, but these guys aren't really severe for the most part. There's a small chance they could go severe, but honestly, I don't see it right now. Honestly, if they have not gone severe yet, I really don't see them going severe. I mean, we should be getting a new convective outlook here within the next hour. Let's see here. Claudia says, hi, how's my favorite weather, dude? What's up, Claudia? Hope you're doing good. I am doing well myself. Hope you're doing good yourself. Oh my gosh, the zip codes. They're everywhere. Let's see here. Hello from southeast Wisconsin. Could I look at... Okay. Wisconsin, I can tell you right now, there's no risk for severe weather for any of you guys. We're just paying attention to today right now. Okay? We're not really paying attention to any other days right now. Save that for a forecast stream or tomorrow if there's any risk. I don't think there's a risk out there tomorrow, but... you know, I will likely be live for coverage tomorrow. I mean, I usually am whenever it comes to it. Let's see. Sam says, what's up, Andrew? Did I have a nice 4th of July? I did. Hope you did as well. Can I check for... Oh, my gosh, more zip codes. Let's see here. Can I check for 29653? There's always a zip code slipping in someone's comment. 29653. 29653. All right. This is for South Carolina. Got a general thunderstorm threat. So, really just a chance for a couple booms here and there, but honestly not expected to do anything crazy. What did I eat for lunch? Nothing. I haven't ate since breakfast, actually. Anyways. How's Colorado? Yep, we're watching Colorado. There's actually, let's see, 2 warnings right now. Let's see. One west of Fountain for 1.5-inch hail. So that's ping pong ball size hail. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and they included a tornado possible tag on this guy towards Rock Creek Park. Yeah, those areas out there. See, Andrew is like too many zip codes. Yes, there is too many zip codes. It's too many of them. I don't know what I don't know what I'll ever do. I can never reach all of them, so just know if I don't get to yours. Know if I don't get to your zip codes. It's nothing personal. Nothing personal. It's just a lot to do. And like I said, if I do everybody's zip codes, it'll get to a point where that's where the whole entire stream becomes. Like the entire stream becomes zip codes, which obviously this live stream is here for coverage. But you know, here and there, I'll try to slip in a zip code or two. Anyways, let's see here. I'm in a slight risk for Sunday. Gotcha. Well, good luck. Don't, like I said, don't forget to prepare. Because, like I said, it's going to be, yeah, if you're in a slight risk, you definitely got to be watching out for whatever, risk it is. Oh, my gosh. Finn, point of view, you're a weather streamer. You get 4 billion zip codes. P.S. 63028 proof. This man caught me off guard. For once, I thought I actually had somebody who understood my point of view. Let's see here. I got you, bro. I got you. Let's see, Missouri. You got a marginal. Yeah, we actually mentioned you're kind of not far from St. Louis. You're actually really close to St. Louis. Which, yeah, you are in the risk for a couple strong to severe storms. We do actually have a severe storm to your southwest. Yeah, mostly with quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts here. Other than that, that's that. Andrew's going to turn OCD. Yeah, I know. It's going to be terrible. See, he's a weather forecaster, not the mail. That's good. That's good. Yes, I'm not the mailman. Golly. Probably even the mailman doesn't hear zip codes as much as I do. Oh my gosh. Can I check zip code 75152? All right, let's see. 75152, and then that's it for now, okay? For at least a moment. Okay, nothing out there. You're good. Yeah, you're not even in any form of thunderstorm risk today. All right, little update, y'all. Back here towards Lubbock, Texas. We got a severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect here for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, as well as penny-size hail for the next 13 minutes. North of that towards Clarendon. Let's see, towards Headley, Howardswick, for a possible tornado, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, as well as penny-size hail. North of that, guys, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Yeah, pretty much all these warnings we have out here, most of them, I should say, or a lot of them, is currently warned for up to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, which is possible. So obviously, heads up. Yeah, main concern out here is actually wind damage. Let's see. I'm going to switch y'all over here back to the Storm Prediction Center. So here's today's risk. Tornado probability, 2% chance, which, like I said, 2% chance probability for tornadoes is nothing great. It's a really low chance for tornadoes, but it just can't be ruled out. It's just simply not impossible. Now, damaging winds, once again, that's the main concern. You can see that big 30% significant risk out there across, the panhandle of Texas into portions of western Oklahoma, and also significant hail is possible there too. We're talking some pretty large hail being a big concern as well. Anyways, but that's that. We'll do a quick tomorrow's risk. 20 probability, 2% chance, wind 15, and hail 15 sig for tomorrow. Anyways, but that's that. Let's see here. I will wait for tomorrow to ask like I had planned. Okay. Sounds good, my friend. Let's see here. Robin says, Andrew, you're going to see zip codes in my sleep. I am. I sure am. It's terrible. I'm going to get, like, a nightmare with a bunch of, like... I'm just going to have, like, a nightmare of the whole entire chat. Like, nothing but what I see. Just nothing but chat and number after number. The numbers may... Some people would understand that. Some people would understand that. If you... Okay, the numbers Mason. If you know where that comes from... It's an old. Let's just say it's old. At this point, it's kind of old. But if anybody knows where that came from, respect. See, what about Southeast Kansas? Southeast Kansas, yeah, you guys got a risk out there, which I would watch out for. I would definitely keep an eye out there for it. Like I said, obviously they're towards Wichita. We got ourselves a slight risk, which is a level, like I said, level 2 out of 5 out there. Absolutely. Proxy with a $50 donation. Oh my gosh, Proxy, what's up? A whopping $50 donation from Proxy. That is super nice of you, Prox. Hope you're doing good, Proxy. Thank you so much for that, Prox. Hope all is well with you. That's very sweet. Everyone, please give Proxy a big thank you in the chat. That is very nice of you, Proxy. Thank you so much, Prox. We love you. All of us here at NWW16 love you. See, I guess nobody understood the numbers, Mason. Gosh. But yeah, see, Proxy, you're the best. Yes, absolutely, Proxy is the best. Proxy is by far one of the best, actually the best supporter on the channel here. Prox says, hi, Android fan. What's up, Prox? Hope you're doing good. Just watching the storms out here. Like I said, these guys are pretty gnarly here. We're actually watching these guys mostly for 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. It kind of seems like a lot of these are dying down, though. Yeah. It does seem like a lot of the storms are kind of waning down a little bit, which is good news. Yeah, I think a lot of the worst of this event's already happened. Because like I said, it's an itty bitty little enhanced risk out there. I mean, it's possible for maybe it's possible for some wind damage and stuff like that. But it seems like that threat, still there, but it does seem like it is minimalizing or minimalize. Oh my gosh. Minimizing. There we go. Did I say minimalizing? Oh my gosh. Terrible. I'm losing my mind, y'all. I really am. It's terrible. Let's see, Finn. Didn't I already look? Bro, I already looked at your zip code, man. What you talking about? FaZe, you're killing me, dude. But anyways, yeah, here pretty soon, y'all. I'd say within the next half hour to an hour, we're gonna start getting some warnings being started to issue to western Oklahoma. Let's see here. So back over at the once again the watch. The watches. Like I said, they not long ago they did just issue a watch for Oklahoma. For kind of portions of like central and western Oklahoma mostly. Let's see here. Next par, once we take a look here at 90210. Okay. Let's see. 90210. 912. Wait, what? 90210. Oh my gosh, I totally butchered that. 90210. Here we go. California? Bro, there ain't nothing going out in California right now. I can tell you that right now. There's nothing severe, so you're good, man. You are good. Good to go. Beverly Hills. I saw that, too. I wasn't going to say anything, because in case you actually lived out in Beverly Hills, but, Let's see here. Anyways. Let's see here. All right, so... But yeah, no, here soon they're probably going to start extending. The worst of these guys is for this guy in the Panhandle. Yeah, the Panhandle's definitely getting hit the hardest right now. Along the eastern side. Once again, we do have the tail. The tail does stretch its way down into like towards Lubbock, essentially. But, anyways. Let's hop over here. Looks like, south of, that's a new warning. Whoa. That one's pretty gnarly, too. So, let's see. So, south of Fountain. Oh, shoot. I'm on the wrong screen. Whoops. Sorry about that. I'm on the wrong screen, y'all. Anyways, but, yeah, south of Fountain. We got kind of a nasty looking storm. Quite a hail core that's going over right over Highway 25 right now, getting ready to go right under Buttes here. It's getting close. I would definitely watch out for that guy. Let's see here. No weather report for California, only traffic report. Yeah, pretty much. California barely sees anything, but when they do, it's nasty. That's usually what happens. Penny, it's okay. Honestly, I try to get to some zip codes. It's just that, I'm like I said, mostly I'm just joking around, but it's like I can't focus on everybody's zip codes though. That's what I want you guys to understand. Is that I cannot grab everybody's zip code, because if I did, then that would just turn into a zip code live stream and not coverage. Because obviously the point of the stream here today is to give y'all some coverage and let you guys know what's happening in real time with the weather. How's the drought monitor looking? That's actually a good question. Let's see here. So, yeah, drought's still pretty heavy out there across the Central Plains, Midwest. Really nasty, actually. Yeah, we got, let's see, a lot of extreme exponential droughts out there towards Kansas. Yeah, Kansas, Missouri, Nebraska is really getting hit pretty good. I mean, you guys are getting slammed, absolutely slammed with dry conditions. Terrible. But anyways, where are we at now? This is in the Panhandle of Texas. So there's Texas, Eastern Panhandle. Let's see. It honestly looks like they might have kicked back up in the in those wind gusts there, back up to 70. Oh my gosh, it's coming! I knew it. Gosh, dude, I don't know what's going on. But I think the allergies are still getting to me for some reason, because I've been like on and off sneezing all day long. It's raining in Missouri. That's a 1 million chance. Yeah. Can I check the temperature? I could. Let's see here. So we got RTMA analysis. So this is currently showing current temperatures right now. That is current temperatures right now. So it's real hot. Not as hot as it actually has been. Or not as hot right now as it has been for a lot of areas. Still really hot across Texas, though. See, Roadster says, bless you. Carrie and Pat, thank you, guys. Thank you. See, maybe the Canadian fires are affecting your sinuses. It's possible, actually. Let me actually look at the SAT. Let's see. Yeah, there's satellite on that big old... Uh-oh, what'd I do? Oh, you guys can still see it, but I can't. Let's see. Gonna have to change that there. There we go. Kind of makes it very difficult. Continental. There we go. Okay. So it's a little difficult to see where the fires are at right now. Oh, definitely can't use that view. But yeah, you can kind of see how it's a little bit hazy. Just a little bit. It's definitely not as bad as it was. Yeah. No, it's definitely not as bad. Big slight risk for day 3 outlook. Covers Dixie Valley and California too. I think it'll upgrade it. Or Carolina, sorry. I don't know. Honestly, I'd have to dive into models, which I'm not going to do right now. But the night of, so probably tomorrow at some point, I will let you know what we can expect. What's up, Archie? Can something be big and slight at the same time? Yep. Indeed. All right, y'all. I tell you what, I'm actually gonna head on break here for 10 minutes. You know what? I'm actually gonna grab a little snack or something, just real quick while we're gone here for 10 minutes. So y'all hang tight. Give me 10 minutes. We've been live here for 45 minutes so far. Just gonna take a few minutes just to grab a little snack, because I tell you what, I'm hungry and I think there's food upstairs, so I'm just gonna grab something real quick. But we'll be back. Let's see what music on hold. Well, I would if I did, but I don't. So y'all just have to listen to your own music while we wait. So y'all just hang tight. Stay here, y'all. Grab yourself a snack, drink something real quickly, and like I said, we'll be back here relatively soon. All right, y'all. Catch y'all in a minute.
East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Highs around 90. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 105 in the afternoon. Wednesday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values up to 105 early until midnight. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 105 in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. This is your weather radio station WNG 654 in Stillwater, operating on a frequency of 162.50 MHz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. You're listening to Stillwater Weather Radio, and here are 7 p.m. weather observations. At Stillwater, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 66%. The wind was east at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.85 inches and falling. At Enid, it was cloudy. The temperature was 78. The wind was southeast at 12. At Guthrie, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77. The wind was southeast at 10. Observations from around the region. At Wichita, rain was falling with a temperature of 72. At Springfield, thunder was reported with a temperature of 83. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 80 at Oklahoma City, at 94 at Dallas-Fort Worth. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 81 at Woodward and 78 at Tulsa. Once again at 7 p.m., at Stillwater, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 82. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms continue across Oklahoma and western North Texas, with the biggest complex in north-central Oklahoma. These storms are gradually moving southeast, with the primary hazards being damaging wind gusts, hail, and locally heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding. Additional thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening across western and northern Oklahoma. Large hail, damaging winds, and flash flooding are all possible. Days 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday, thunderstorms will likely be ongoing across the eastern half of Oklahoma Saturday morning before decreasing in coverage late morning into the early afternoon. There is a continued chance of thunderstorms through early next week as a series of thunderstorm complexes may affect parts of the area during the overnight into the early morning hours. The most likely location to be affected by any complexes will be northern Oklahoma with lower chances with southwest extent. Any thunderstorms with these complexes could be strong to severe. Heat. Afternoon heat indices from 105 to 110 degrees are possible across far southern Oklahoma and North Texas beginning Friday and persisting through the middle part of the week. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Stillwater and surrounding area. Rest of tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight, then showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming east 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 80%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 80. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Highs around 90. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 105 in the afternoon. Wednesday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values up to 105 early until midnight. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 105 in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. You're listening to Stillwater Weather Radio, and here are 7 p.m. weather observations. At Stillwater, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 66%. The wind was east at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.85 inches and falling. At Enid, it was cloudy. The temperature was 78. The wind was southeast at 12. At Guthrie, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77. The wind was southeast at 10. Observations from around the region. At Wichita, rain was falling with a temperature of 72. At Springfield, thunder was reported with a temperature of 83. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 80 at Oklahoma City, at 94 at Dallas-Fort Worth. It was cloudy with a temperature of 81 at Woodward and 78 at Tulsa. Once again at 7 p.m. at Stillwater, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 82. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms continue across Oklahoma and western North Texas, with the biggest complex in north-central Oklahoma. These storms are gradually moving southeast, with the primary hazards being damaging wind gusts, hail, and locally heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding. Additional thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening across western and northern Oklahoma. Large hail, damaging winds, and flash flooding are all possible. Days 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday, thunderstorms will likely be ongoing across the eastern half of Oklahoma Saturday morning before decreasing in coverage late morning into the early afternoon. There is a continued chance of thunderstorms through early next week as a series of thunderstorm complexes may affect parts of the area during the overnight into the early morning hours. The most likely location to be affected by any complexes will be northern Oklahoma with lower chances with southwest extent. Any thunderstorms with these complexes could be strong to severe. Heat. Afternoon heat indices from 105 to 110 degrees are possible across far southern Oklahoma and North Texas beginning Friday and persisting through the middle part of the week. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov. Norman and follow our weather forecast.
Alrighty, guys, we are back here. Hope you guys are doing all right. Let's go ahead and turn down the weather radio here. We do not need it to be as loud as it is. But what's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing all right. We're gonna go ahead and jump right on back into it. Right here where we left off. Oh my gosh, why is it so laggy? Oh my gosh, why is my camera so laggy? Do y'all see this? Okay, anyways, I'm running on like a 2 frame per second camera right now. See, got a snack and a drink. Nice, sounds good. Glad that you are back. Let's see here. Actually, okay, I might have my phone. Thought I didn't have my phone. That I could actually read y'all's comments here as well. But anyways, what's up, guys? All right, so we're going to pick up here we left off here. It does look like... Oh, there we go. We're starting to get those warnings, y'all. Actually starting to move into western Oklahoma here now. Let's see. So this includes Eric. This includes Cheyenne. Let's see here. Shattuck here as well. Wow. Whoa! Am I reading this right? 90! Holy cow! 90 mile per hour wind gusts. And penny-sized hail. What in the heck is going on? Okay, this is not good. Okay, so guys, we have a storm here towards, let's see, Shattuck here. 90 mile per hour wind gusts out of this here. And penny-sized hail, apparently. Oh my gosh. 96 mile per hour wind gust was reported by Lipscomb. Dude, I got to pull up my other radar then. I need to get more of... Dude, I don't know what is going on. You know what? You guys, I'm going to be turning off this camera for a second. Going to turn it off, turn it back on. Classic, did you turn it off, turn it back on? Still glitchy. Wow, what's going on with this guy? I don't like how glitchy it's being. All right, anyways. Let's see here. Let's hop back over here to that one cell. Destructive. So yes, for Ellis County here. Okay, so I have not received it yet. But like I said, there apparently has been a 96 mile per hour wind gust out there, which is ridiculous. I mean, that's literally the strongest I've seen in a while. I think about a month ago we had that one wind gust that was like 100 something, over 110, which is crazy. But I mean, like I said, we literally just reported here. We literally just reported some real nasty wind gusts. Yeah, I'm trying to... Let's see. What if I disable my camera? Turn it back on. Maybe. Oh my gosh, no. Dude, I tell you what. I am always having camera problems. Always. I am never having... never having a good time. Or never having... I never have good luck when it comes to cameras, is what I meant to say. Crazy. Is Arkansas being hit tonight? Now, Arkansas does actually have a risk out there. So you guys do actually have a marginal level 1 for basically central portions of Arkansas and kind of central northern sections of Arkansas. So there is a potential. But the good news is no tornadoes. Mostly wind concerns. Maybe some wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour kind of seems to be the main. Maybe the camera's cache is full. It's a good possibility. Yeah, I need to. I'll figure out that. It seems like it happened once I went on break, because like as soon as I'm back now, it's glitchy all over the place. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But anyways, yeah, no, Arkansas does have a chance, but you guys are not expected to get it as crazy as like Texas and stuff like that today. So that's good news in itself. All right, let's see. Hop back over here. But yeah, once again, y'all, very destructive storm in effect here for basically western Oklahoma. Once again, this includes, Shattuck here, Gage, Fargo. Let's see here, Goodwin as well. Yeah, we're literally seeing the possibility there for 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail being a possibility out there. So that is, once again, a really destructive storm that's kicking off here for basically western Oklahoma. This is, I believe, let's see, the county that this is included in. Let's see here. This is for Ellis County, Oklahoma. See here. Alice says just got here. Heard there's a 96-mile-per-hour wind gust with the storm. Yes, that's the one we're looking at right now. Absolutely crazy. Well, first of all, welcome. Hope you're doing good. But yeah, no, this was this guy in western Oklahoma. As soon as the storms tracked over to Oklahoma, that's when it really happened. Anything going on in Minnesota? Actually, yeah, there's a little bit of a little marginal risk out there. You can see right above me, that dark green area for kind of like north central Minnesota. That's a small severe weather threat. 5% chance of seeing severe weather out there. So it's pretty low probability, but, small chance for maybe some gusty winds. But anyways, yeah, not as crazy as this stuff, as mentioned. This stuff here has gotten pretty crazy. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. They actually included that severe thunderstorm warning for 90+ mile per hour winds here for let's see, Follett, Magan, Lipscomb, and Higgins here. What's up, Aiden? Hope you're doing good. I don't know if you noticed my camera's glitching. I don't know what's going on with it. Always have camera problems, y'all. Always. it's always something. Always something. Let's see here. Let's see, Rockwall, Texas. I got you, man. I got you. Rockwall, Texas. Okay. Dude, Rockwall is not even in a thunderstorm threat, so you're good. There's nothing expected for you, so you're good, man. But once again, y'all, in western Oklahoma, you got to really start watching these guys. Once again, this thing is literally has popped up some really gnarly wind gusts here. Once again, 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible out of some of these, and then plus that's not even the worst of it. Like I said, most of these are in 70 territory. But then you move up into once again Shattuck and Gage here. Yeah, and areas west out there, and even northeastern Panhandle of Texas. We're literally seeing 96 mile per hour wind gusts being reported out there. Let's see if it popped up yet. Yeah, I don't see the 96 gust right now, but apparently it's been reported by, let's see, Mesonet, right? Yep, West Texas Mesonet at 7:29. So this was as of about 19 minutes ago, right? Golly, yeah, almost 20 minutes ago. Let's see here. Is this a derecho in the making? Says Rochester. I don't think a derecho is expected today. But what classifies a derecho is its longevity. How long it lasts. That's a big key factor of a derecho. And constant wind damage occurring. I'm not going to say no. I'm really not. I mean, it's possible. It could be. Let's see here. Will it hit Oklahoma City? So Oklahoma City is actually in the risk out there, which I'll go ahead and switch y'all back over here. So OKC does have a slight risk. So a small chance or I wouldn't say really small. You have a chance. You have a kind of mild chance of seeing severe weather. So about a 15% chance within 25 miles of you of seeing severe weather. So if you're in Oklahoma City, yeah, I'd watch out for it. But like I said, according to some of the models, as I was watching earlier, some of the computer models, the weather models, like the HRRR, high resolution rapid refresh model, was showing the fact that for the most part, It looks like the storms will start to die out once they start reaching into this environment here. So basically, from where the storm is right now, basically extreme East Panhandle to now moving into western Oklahoma, that's gonna be its strongest territory. I mean, honestly, right now, guys, I'm not lying with y'all. The biggest risk is almost over. Because let me actually show you guys this. So we move our way over here to the convective outlook here. The storm is right here. That's where the storm's at. Now, if I turn that off in comparison to the enhanced risk, a lot of the enhanced risk has already been walked through. So we've already mostly seen the worst we're going to see here. And actually, I think here pretty soon they're going to issue a new convective outlook, and I guarantee you they're going to get rid of that enhanced risk. Guarantee it. I literally believe they will. Let's see. I don't even know when the SPC outlook's going to update here. It should. Usually they update at 9 p.m. Let's see here. Yeah, it hasn't updated yet, but I bet you they're going to probably remove that enhanced risk. Honestly, I would not be surprised, though. I could honestly see this going either way. I could see them completely removing it, or I could honestly see them maybe extending a little bit into, like, northwestern, Oklahoma because of that wind gust threat. So, obviously, the environment still is capable of producing some real nasty wind gusts. Oh, here we go. I actually got the report now. Here we go. So this is west of Lipscomb. Wow. Gusted to 76 and quickly measured 95 and 96 gusts. Holy cow. Dude, that is ridiculous. That is insane. My monitor cut out again. That is an insane wind gust out there. Let's see. Is Tulsa still in the slight risk? Yeah. Tulsa's still in the slight risk gap there. You're good. I would watch it. I had to keep an eye on it. But yeah, you are in a slight risk still. Leon says, sorry I'm late. What's up? Hope you're doing good. No worries. But what you did miss, Leon, is that we just got reported a 96 mile per hour wind gust out there, which was nuts. Absolutely crazy. See, wow, that is damaging winds. Yeah, a little bit. I think 96 mile per hour wind gust. Isn't that category? I think that's category 2 force winds. Crazy. Absolutely crazy stuff. We literally reported 96 just a little bit ago, this was at 027. See, not going to say hi to your cat, man. I did say hi, Aiden. Bro, this man can't hear. But in case if you didn't hear it, what's up, Catman? Yeah, I'm just waiting on the new outlook here. It'll probably come through here in the next few minutes. We'll get it within the next 10-15 minutes or so. I'd say anywhere from now to 15 minutes we'll have a new update on it. Let's see, I'm actually going to pull up my Twitter. So whenever the Storm Prediction Center does actually put out that, then I will be able to see it. There we go. Okay. Anyways. But yeah, once again, you guys, 96 mile per hour wind gusts. See, I must have been gone. Maybe. But I do remember, actually telling you. What's up? Okay, I had to make myself taller here. Let's see here. Enhanced risk continues. What? I don't know what you're talking about, dude. Still got no update here. Let's see here. Okay. All right, so yeah, well, once again, they did actually, not long ago, they did actually put out a new watch. They did actually put out a new severe thunderstorm watch out here for western Oklahoma. Yeah, for western Oklahoma here, we did get that watch. Let's see, 85-mile-per-hour wind gusts at maximum, as well as 2.5-inch hail. So literally tennis ball size hail possible. See, Andrew grew taller. Yeah. I could probably even grow a little taller, actually. I don't think I... Okay, there we go. I didn't go all the way, but sitting up now. Whenever I slouch, I have to slouch to be in camera frame. Although I can simply just move the camera. Because I actually got a legit camera for our webcam here. It's actually the same. Fun fact, this camera that you're actually watching, did it get better? Oh, yeah, that's a lot better. I don't know what happened. But this camera here, I actually use it for storm chases. See, camera looks like it's working fine. Yeah, that's what I thought. Of course, now that I say that, it's going to be slow again. It's better than it was. Let's see here. Search up 28726. Let's see here. Okay, North Carolina. I got a general thunderstorm threat out there. Maybe your internet was getting affected. I don't think it was my internet that's doing this. I mean, because it's data feed. Look at it now. It's nothing to do with the internet. I mean, you can see how different, my program is compared to me. It's a lot more. I mean, especially this guy. You can see how how crazy it is. Here comes the zip codes again. Oh no, not again. Let's see here. But I'll be awaiting that update. Oh, let's see here. Okay, day 1 Outlook came out 5 minutes ago. It still says enhanced, but it usually takes a few minutes to update before before it actually shows it. But I think they still might have it. But they definitely shrunk it, I'm sure. Let's see, SPC. Okay. Oh, yep. No, they kept it. I knew it. I told you guys. I told you. They extended it. They sure did. What did I say? Okay, I am proud of that. Because, like I said, I could see it going either way. But as soon as we got that 96-mile-per-hour wind gust, I'm like, I don't know. But look at that. It's further east now. You know what? I'm going to switch back to... let's see here. We're going to switch back to WSV3 real quickly. Okay, so that's where the previous one was. You know what? I'm going to keep it on the screen here. Or at least keep it steady. So that's where the previous oh, that's really bad. Previous convective outlook was right in here. Now they extended it further east. Okay. Okay, we're going to keep it there. I'm not going to move it, but I am going to switch screens. So you guys can still see it. It's in the same spot. Okay. See, that wrist looks weird. It does. It is. It's a weird convective outlook. I wonder what they issued it for, though. Let's see here. 2% tornado threat. Oh, you know what they did do, though? Oh, look at that. There you go. It updated. There you go. That's where the old enhanced was. That's where the new one is. So you can see how they pushed it further east here. Let's see here. So Weatherford, Elk City, you guys are inside of that. Let's see. Fairview, heads up to you guys. They did not include it for Oklahoma City, though. No, it's not for OKC. But what I was wanting to show you is that here on the Storm Prediction Center. So we had that 2% chance out there. We had a 30%. That's really interesting. They did not continue that significant wind threat. I find that interesting. It would honestly been a little bit more. It would have been a little better if they kind of could extend, more of northwestern Oklahoma into this. Something like. Oh wait, hold on, you're not on the right screen. Something kind of like this would be better in my opinion. I mean, I'm not the Storm Prediction Center. I can't make that up. But I'd also keep that significant wind threat on it too. I mean, seriously, that is. That's my quick drawn outlook. But I would have definitely included further areas up here because, I mean, obviously the wind gust report was out here. That storm is still capable of producing some real nasty wind gusts there. They haven't removed. Yeah, they shouldn't have. They should not have, which was what they did, anyways. What's up, TRG? So I'm back from a long day. What did I miss? You missed a 96 mile per hour wind gust we just got, man. Out in Oklahoma, there it is, right here, 96. Mesonet gusted 76, and quickly measured 95 and 96 gusts over the next 2 minutes. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But we did just get a new convective outlook though. Also, TRG, they extended the enhanced risk eastbound. Yeah. Well, David Payne isn't on yet. I'm not that worried. Who's David Payne? Who is that? Let's see here. You missed a lot. Yeah, no, it's been pretty interesting. We did get a new watch not long ago as well. Let's see, I'm still in the 2% chance. Are you? Yeah, they drastically shrunk that tornado threat. Tulsa's barely in that too. You know, mostly for the south side. See, my competition. I have no. I'm serious. I really don't know who that is. See here. Oh wow, a tornado happened in South Dakota. Yeah, we also did have a couple of tornadoes, from what I understood too. Not while we were live. I saw a couple tornado warnings we did have. All right, let's see here. Back to hail. 5%. Yeah. So yeah, we got a 5% hail threat. Winds is what makes it special. It's the OKC weatherman. I guess it's just a local joke. Oh, that's probably why I probably didn't understand who that was, because I'm not from OKC or anything, but I understand. No, but like I said, obviously though, I mean, considering the risk that's out there, yeah, I mean, without. What was it? Was it David? Yeah, David Payne. Without David Payne being online, it's still a big risk. Let's see here. I'm in Jake, so I have a tornado threat. Aiden, you're barely in that. Bro, you're barely. They beat me to it. 9 News. Gotcha. Let's see here. He is on Oklahoma weather expert on 9 News. Oh, okay. Thank you, Dennis. Thanks for explaining that to me. I was a little bit confused as to who that is. Let's see here. Do they still? Okay, let's see. New update here. Yeah, no, they still have that warning in place, y'all, for 90 mile per hour wind gusts out towards Gage and Fargo. Yep, Gage, Fargo. Also, Follett. I think Follett and Lipscomb is good at this point. I mean, obviously the report was just slightly west of Lipscomb, slightly west. But a lot of the nasty winds is over here. Which, let's see here. Sucks we don't have many radars out here. That's what's terrible. I'm watching you, boy. I don't know. That might be some weak rotation right there. You see that? Okay. Well, I don't know. Yeah, that latest scan looks like maybe some weak stuff, but I don't know. I don't think that'll materialize. Is that as far as they'll go? 96? Probably, yeah. I mean, considering the watches, the severe thunderstorm watches we have in effect here, they're not even getting up to that. Yeah, max wind gust is 85, according to the newest watch they just issued. Let's see here. Mowerman 67042. Let's see here. 67042. El Dorado. You got a general thunderstorm threat, my friend. So chance for a couple thunderstorms, but meh, nothing bad. It's expected. See here, just very tired. TRG. Oh, I hear you, man. I'm tired. I'm right there with you. It's been a long day for me. Actually, I ended up getting a new treadmill today, which I've been using. So I got my runs in earlier. It's definitely good for those real hot days, like 90 degrees, where you can't run outside without, stepping out for 5 minutes and getting drenched. Didn't I get the sleep I needed from last? Oh yeah, I crashed, man. I did. As soon as I got off, I just shut my laptop and I'm like, I'm going to bed. Yeah, no, I crashed. But no, like I said, treadmills though, they're really good for the heat, so we can actually stay in the somewhat cool. See, ARRR honestly making me mad because I wanted a big risk. Yeah, ARRR seems like it's dropping support of anything happening, really. Let's see here. Okay, we got 0. Oh, shoot. 00Z starting to render here. So we got our first run of the 8th starting to run here now. Let's see here. We're going to switch y'all over here to the models. Here we go. All right. So, yeah. So that line continues tracking its way eastbound. Yeah. Well, you know what, though? Aiden, the latest 0Z is more promising than the last run we were looking at. I think we were looking at 22Z last time. Yeah, see, it according to 22Z, it just dies out over you. According to 00, let's see here. Is there still 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts on the severe warning in Texas? There is a still warned for 90, but we have not gotten any more reports of 90. So as of now, we have no more confirmation of any. Got no more confirmation of any of those. So right now we just have that one. It's once west of Lipscomb. It's a 96-mile-per-hour wind gust. Like, holy cow. Let's see, these typos are killing me. Yeah. You do that a lot there, Catman. Let's see. Oh wow, we got a train of wow. I didn't even notice these. How could I not notice these guys? See, yeah, we got a train of wind gust reports. All these guys are at 60, so we're getting along that line about 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Let's see, can I check on Enid? Give me a zip code or a state at least, because I don't know where Enid is. Let's see here. Let's see, Laoya, sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Great job keeping folks ready like me. Thank you. You're very welcome. No problem. No problemo. That's what I love doing this, y'all. I love being here with you guys, hanging out, chatting, having a good old time. Let's see here. HRR weather model, not high resolution rapid refresh. See, Katie says it's 73179. What am I in for? 73179. Okay, yeah, you're in Oklahoma. You're Oklahoma City. You got a slight risk, my friend. So basically, what that is, there's a scale from 1 to 5 on severity levels. Think of it as level 5 is like really bad. Level 1 is, a risk for strong, damaging storm. Still, you're in level 2, which that gives you a 15% chance of seeing severe weather. So, yeah. Lutoya. Gotcha. But, yeah, that's that. See, Andrew is one person that will take him some time to get your comment. Dude, you do not understand. There's a lot of people that join these live streams. It's impossible to keep up with everybody. As much as I want to, I can't. Everybody is, oh gosh, it's lagging again. But like I said, everybody's commenting, so it's like, I can only get to so many of them. Let's see here. Great, thank you. No problem, Katie. Anytime. But yeah, 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Like, holy cow. I mean, at that point, penny-sized hail would be dangerous. Literally. Like I said, what I normally say is like, that, penny-sized hail is not bad. Because, typically, penny-sized hail with 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, I mean, it won't feel good if it hits you. But it's not really too bad. See, my cam just glitched. That. But yeah, once you get up in the 90s, like we just had, like, holy cow, that would hurt. That would even probably bruise if that hit you. I mean, because I know the feeling if sand hits you at, like, 40 miles an hour. I know that feeling. It hurts. See, pennies are going sideways. Yeah, it would be. Absolutely. George says bye-bye. See you later, George. But no, yeah. I mean, seriously. It would hurt bad. See, northeast of Fairview. I don't know where that's at there, Dennis. Gave me 1,600. That's not even a zip code. But anyways, yeah, no, this is what's left of that line here. It looks like a lot of those warnings down south got canceled, which is good. Seems like those guys are sub-severe now. Wind-driven hail can be very damaging. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Mr. Aiden Wilson says, hi, what's up? Uh-oh, we got another Aiden in here. Aiden, you better watch out. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, Cheyenne, y'all. Let's see, Raiden, Arnett, Eric, and Sayer. You guys are in a warning here for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. Let's see here. Hope there was no fatalities or injuries. Hopefully not. Let's see here. When I was deployed in the Middle East, I got caught in a sandstorm. Let's see, and got like road rash. It does hurt. Oh yeah, really does. So I'm guessing that you're from the military. If so, thank you for your service. I'm a big supporter for our military. Okay, let's see. Well, the good news is we don't have any rotation going on in there. Yeah, we don't want any tornadoes. I mean, after all, there is that 2% chance out there, so. See, I live in Kentucky. Yeah, me too. Yep, that's where I'm at right now, actually. Got a lot of people, it seems like, from Kentucky that joined your streams. I even had somebody one time, y'all, joined literally in the same city I live in. Like, literally. And for example, my city's really not that big. Which is crazy. Anyways, let's see. We got a warning just got. Okay, that 190, y'all. That one severe thunderstorm warning that we just got, or that one that had that 90-mile-per-hour wind gust report. Lipscomb, Follett, and Magoon. That is no longer in effect here. No longer in effect here, which is good. They still continue the one for Oklahoma, though. Let's see here. Still 90-mile-per-hour wind gust towards Gage and, let's see, Fargo. Anyways, pretty crazy. But yeah. These guys down south towards Wellington, Shamrock. Let's see. Yeah, these guys are to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts too. Also quarter-size hail too. I mean, quarter-size hail at 70 miles per hour would not feel good itself. Definitely not. Not a good feeling. How fast is this moving, Andrew? Let's see here. Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Yeah, this is a new warning they just issued. Look at that. Oh, that's big 60. Okay. Well, it looks like that line's dying down, it looks like. That is good news. It looks like we are heading down the slope here for now. Let's see here. Let's see. Sharon, Woodward, Moreland, Elk City, Strong City. Yeah, you guys are now in a warning here. Well, there you go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you know what? I think we might call it a stream here soon because it looks like the event has died down quite a bit. We still got that enhanced risk, but I don't know how that's going to pan out. They issued the enhanced risk due to the likelihood of having some wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, maybe some cases 70. But in terms of like the insane wind gusts, like that 95 or that 96 that we've seen, I think those are done. Those should be done. Definitely should be done. So honestly, I really don't think there's really much more to cover here. Like I said, tornado probability 2% chance. Unlikely that we'll even see any tornadic activity anymore. In terms of hail seems to have died down too. I mean, these warnings are all for penny hail too. So penny size hail for all these warnings basically, and you know we're getting knocked down to 60 mile per hour wind gusts now. So it's like, yeah, that warning just got canceled too. So back down to 60 mile per hour wind gusts, penny size hail. I think that's gonna wrap it up. But I will say, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And if you do, I will be here to answer them. But I am gonna call it a stream here pretty soon. I was at school on Friday. There was sunny outside. Winds blowing 50 miles an hour. Wow, crazy. Aiden says, and it leaves goes 100 plus. Don't say that, Aiden, because then it will. I mean, they don't have that significant risk out there anymore, which is good. Yeah, it seems like we're kind of dying down a little bit. See, it is a stream, is it? I didn't know this was a stream. I'm just kidding. Hank says live tomorrow. Yes, I'll be live tomorrow. Yeah, we got ourselves a pretty large slight risk from what I remember. Yeah, look at that big old slight risk. But anyways, Mr. Aiden says bye. See you later. TRG said, can I go over day 3 real quick? Yeah, I can do that. So here's day 3. Wow, holy cow! I didn't even realize how big day 3 was here until somebody mentioned it earlier. Anyways, but yeah, real big risk here for day 3. So if y'all don't know, today's Friday, obviously. So this will be Sunday. Sunday looks to be a real big day out there for the southeast and the mid-Atlantic view. Do they even have a significant? They don't. There's no significant threat right now. But let me actually pull up the models. I'm real curious. I'm gonna full screen this, y'all. We're about to dive down into some models real quickly, y'all, for a moment, and then we're gonna call it a stream. Let's see here. So mid-Atlantic. First of all, I'm curious on the instability that's out there. So basically, the thunderstorm to go juice. Essentially, let's see here for late Sunday. Oh wow, yeah, lots of instability over 1,000 joules a kilogram. That's good. Real good. Some areas pocketing maybe up to 2+ K. Okay, so lots of instability out there. What it looks like there for Sunday. This is the NAM model, but by the way. Oh, shoot, didn't want to do that. HRRR model does not reach out this far, by the way, y'all. Low-level jet stream. I don't see any significant tornado possibilities out of this jet stream here. I mean, we do got a little bit of a jet stream out there. You know, most probably 25, 30 knots. I'd say a minimal tornado threat's possible. Let's see. Upper level wind shear. Storm motion in some areas probably could be pretty slow, except for areas like probably faster storm motion towards like Alabama and such. And of course, lastly, y'all, when it comes to a sounding here, I'm just going to grab random sounding out there South Carolina. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think I see the big concern here. I think it's hail. Y'all, I think it's hail. I think hail threat's going to be the biggest. Pretty moderately dry atmosphere across the mid and upper levels here. That right there, my friends, that's going to cause some hail problems. That continues. D-Cape 2, so damaging winds. Yeah, damaging winds, hail, minimal tornado threat. That's what I think. That's what I think. But, all right. Well, you guys, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up here for tonight. Thank y'all for joining. If you guys did enjoy it, leave a like, hit that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We're going to go ahead and hop over here to the ending screen. So the stream's, it says offline, but we're going to change that now. We are going to be heading off here in approximately, let's see, 2 minutes. So if there's anything you guys want to say to your friends and family, like I said, go ahead and say it now. But once again, y'all, thank you so much for joining us. Let's see, Proxy says, rest well, Andrew, you deserve. After hard you work for all of us, you rock. Thank you, Proxy. Obviously, our donators today, let's see here. I have to give a big thanks. At the end of every stream, we always say goodbye, or give a big thanks to our donators, I should say. In the beginning of the stream before it started, Jenny donated $5. Thank you so much, Jenny. If you're here somehow, you said you were not able to be able to, or you're not able to be in the live stream, so I don't think you're here, Jenny. But if you are, thank you so much. The Purple, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. You absolutely rock. Thank you so much. And of course, Proxy with a whopping $50 donation. Proxy, you rock. Thank you so much. Super greatly appreciated. And like I said, if you guys do want to send us a donation yourself, like I said, I'm not asking, but I'm just saying if you guys would like to, if you don't know how to, that little dollar icon that you guys see there on the right hand side of where you type, that's how you send out a super chat, so you can do it. But just letting you all know. But like I said, y'all, thank you so much for being here. Once again, big shout out goes to Proxy, the Purple, and Jenny for the donations for tonight. You guys rock. We love y'all. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you all. If you have not already, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, share this, y'all. Help get that word out there. It'd be greatly appreciated. Like I said, obviously, the more we can share this live, or the more we can share this channel, the more potential lives we could save here. So it'll be really greatly appreciated. All right, you guys. Well, y'all take care. Once again, thank you all so much for being here. If y'all have any questions, join our Discord server. We have that down in the description. Follow us on Twitter at NWW1162. And until next time, my friends, we'll be here tomorrow to cover some more with the slight risk that we have here for tomorrow. So we'll make sure to be here for that. All right, you guys, take care. We love y'all. Please stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, my friends. See you then.
Here is the forecast for Stillwater and surrounding area. Rest of tonight. Showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight, then showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming east 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 80%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 80. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Monday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Highs around 90. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-90s. Heat index values up to 105 in the afternoon. Wednesday night.